Hello everyone, welcome back to new video. Today's video we will show a lot of ideas about entryway indoor plants. Entryway indoor plants refers to a specific selection of plants that are chosen and placed indoors in the entryway or the foyer area of home or a building. These plants are strategically positioned to visual appeal and creating a welcome atmosphere and provide various other benefits. If you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button of 90 Addiction YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest or more interested videos. Here are some advantages and some ideas about entryway indoor plants. Having indoor plants in your entryway can add a touch of fresh beauty and vitality to your home. Here are some popular indoor plants that thrive in the entryway environments. Number 1, which is snake plant. Snake plants are easy to care for and tolerate low lighting conditions, making them ideal for the entryway with limited natural light. They have a tall, upright leaves with a striking appearance, adding a touch of elegance to your space. This one is the snake plants ideas. If you're interested, so keep up in your entryway environment. The second one, which is fiddle leaf fig plant ideas. If your entryway receiving bright indirect light and a fiddle leaf fig can be stream or it feature large violence shaped leaves that create bold and dramatic look. This one is the second idea for you for the entryway environment. Third one, which is Chinese evergreen. Chinese evergreen plants are known as the attractive foliage, which comes in various shades of green, silver and red. They can adapt to your different light conditions, making them suitable for the entryway with varying light levels. Peace lily plants ideas. This one is the fourth idea for you. Peace lilies feature elegant white flowers that construct beautifully with their dark green leaves. They prefer to moderate to low lighting conditions and that can help to purify the air in your entryway. And now the fifth one, which is the rubber plant or Ficus elastica. The rubber plant is the most popular chosen for the indoor plants due to its large, glossy leaves and ability to tolerate the range of light conditions. It can add a lush and tropically feel to your entryway. If you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button of 90 Addiction YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest or more interested videos. Now the sixth one ideas, which is pothos. Pothos plant is the most popular plant in your all over the world. Pothos is the popular trailing plant that can grow well in your various light conditions, including low light. In his heart-shaped leaves come in the different shades of green and that can add a vibrant touch to your entryway. This one is the most popular pothos plant, which is, if you're interested, so keep up in the entryway environmental which you can indoor plants ideas. Now the sixth or seventh one, which is ZZ plants, which is the ZZ plants is also known as the ability to thrive the low lighting conditions and the tolerance for the neglect. It has a glossy darkness leaves that can grow upright, making it excellent choice for the entryway with their natural light, with their limited natural lights. Remember, keep up in the mind. Remember to consider the specific light conditions in your entryway and choosing plants accordingly So have a pay attention to care requirements of each plant to ensure their thrive in your chosen option. Now I will discuss some deeply about some benefits about entryway indoor plants. Visual appeal and welcoming atmosphere. The second one, which is welcoming atmosphere, indoor plants in the entryway creating a warm and inviting atmosphere for the residency and guests alike. The frequency and a greenery can evoke a scene to tranquility and make the people feel more connected to the nature as they enter in the space of your indoor area. Now the first one, which is visual appeal. Entryway plants are chosen for their aesthetic qualities, though can add a touch of natural beauty and vibrancy to your entryway. They come in your various sizes, shapes and colors, allowing homeowners to select the plants that can complement overall design and style of their entryway. So the third one, which is main advantages of that, which is air purification. Many indoor plants, they can have air purifying properties. They can purify the beneficial in entryways. These plants can filter toxinic and pollution from the air, improving indoor air quality and creating a healthier environment for those entering the space. This one is the more advantages. If you like these ideas, like the video. I hope you are enjoy from this video and keep benefit from these type of videos. So third one, which is air purification, is the most use of plant in this world. So keep use of plants and gain knowledge from 90 Addiction. So stay tuned with 90 Addiction YouTube channel.